Good morning, students. I hope you will safe at your home with your family. Family. In last video, I have told you about the family, how we live with our family, and how do we share our work with our family. In this chapter, we will read about the fun in a family. How do we spend our time with our family? How do we celebrate with our family? How do we go to outing for our family? So let's start with the celebration in a family. Okay, the students who live with their grandparents, they got lots of love with their grandparents. We have a lot of fun with our family. Why they got more love with their grandparents? Because grandparents tell them stories. They 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 take him out for the outing or walking, and grandparents love them very much. So celebration in a family. First we will read about the celebration in a family. Celebration in a family. How do we celebrate? Some families function in our family. What we celebrate in what is the family function? Family function, the function that we celebrate with our family, our friends, and our relatives, that are called our family functions. What are that? We celebrate our birthdays. We celebrate our birthdays, anniversary, and weddings with our family. You celebrate your birthday? Celebrate, na? How do you celebrate your birthday? You invite your friends, you invite your parents, and you have a lots of fun in your family. You cut the cake, and you wear new and colorful dress. You sing and dance with your friends and relatives, and you what you eat delicious foods that your mother cooked in that special day. So there is a lots of fun to spend time with your family. There is too much fun to live with your family. You go for outing. Sometimes you go for outing with your family, visiting to different places. Visiting to different places. You go to different places with your family. Where do you go? We go picnic. We go picnic with our families, and we enjoy lots. We enjoy lots there. Then we go to the zoo. Sometimes we go to the zoo with our family. What do you see in the zoo? We see different type of animals, water creatures, and birds in the zoo. Then you go to the fair. What do you do to go to the fair? How do you enjoy? Huh? We enjoy, we ride we enjoy lots of rides there. Sometimes we ride on jolly rides. Sometimes we eat delicious food that are there. Sometimes we purchase something from there. So we enjoy a lot to go to a fair. Then sometimes you go to for your refreshment. Sometimes you go to your relatives' home, and after that sometimes we go to the to visit a monuments. Do you know what is monuments? What is monuments? What is monuments? A statue or a building which is built in the memory of some person or an event are called monuments. For example, for example, Taj Mahal, Hawa Mahal, Red Fort, etc. These all are called the historical monuments. Sometimes we go to the circus with our family. Sometimes we go to circus with our family. What do we see in the circus? We see the feats of the animal, we see the feats which is performed by the animals, clowns, and other person there. So I hope you will understand. What I have said, and you will read again in this chapter, and you will be much understand. Thank you.